Here's why you're failing on YouTube automations, and let me tell you why. Let me tell you a good reason why. So you're using AI for it, bro. You're using AI, you're using like the long one image story AI story. Yeah, that shit doesn't work anymore. You gotta make something creative right now. The reason why people are like saying like, oh, AI is getting demonetized and shit like that. Well, yeah, it's because of that one of those niches, the AI boring niches, the one of those history boring AI niches. I'm gonna give you a good example right here. These kind of type of boring niches was like 2 hours long, and then yeah, sexual stuff. Yeah, start making one of these, bro, and start making something really creative. And what I mean by that, and this is why you're feeling on YouTube, by the way, you gotta make something really particular and creative. Like let's say you're gonna make a top five shows, or top 10, like top 10 moments about this TV show and this and that, like top 10 of Friends, this and that, like top 10 what happened and Friends. Or it could be any kind of one, like Dexter, for example. Dexter's is a trending one. If you use Dexter, and if you can use that, you guarantee see some more results and more views. Because Dexter is one thing that's been blowing up on my For You page about these edits. Is what I'm saying right now. I keep saying Dexter edits, or it could do any kind of one that's actually being popular off of TikTok. It could be either each kind of one, because no one is actually doing those. And you can even do like top 10 what Dexter's been killing people, or I haven't even seen Dexter yet, but you get what I mean. If you're gonna do like a Dexter, type sort of a thing, you can also do history, or you can also do about any kind of oceans and stuff like that. Just be something really creative, and you're going to see more results on it. So that's how you can gain views and yeah, and get money off a rip. So yeah, no more of making those AI channels, because those are eventually dead. That is why people are saying they don't monetize AI channels anymore, because a lot of people are actually really negative about AI channels and stuff, etc. But yes, you can use 11 labs. But let me tell you this: you can use 11 labs, but it depends on the quality. If it's a low quality, you might get copyrighted. If it's high quality, you will get guaranteed see results. So if you're gonna use 11 labs, make sure it's a good quality, or you can find a different kind of website. It can either be either which one, but find a good high quality voiceover. You get what I mean? And you eventually get monetized, and then yeah, YouTube might see your videos, and YouTube is gonna sees that, oh, you invested this video for the voiceover. So yeah, YouTube sees the business what you're doing on going through on. So yeah, that's eventually gonna blow up. Now here's another thing I want to talk about is trust score. So what trust score is on YouTube is you use the same Gmail on your channel, and you basically log in to the same Gmail as 11 Labs or YouTube or Netflix, or it could be each one. If it's like either, let's say for example, like you log into Legos, an app, you log into McDonald's, you log into anything with the same Gmail, YouTube sees your trust score. And what that trust score does, YouTube will eventually see your channel, and YouTube will say, yo, I trust this guy because you've been logging into every kind of apps. So I'm gonna trust this guy, and I'm gonna guarantee see some views, like around 400 views and etc. stuff. Another one I want to talk about also is how well I guarantee see some more results. So let me show you. So let's say this is your channel right here, and then you have like your boxes here, your YouTube videos. So this is the YouTube videos and etc. stuff. Let's say one of them hits about like 400. So let's say this one's 400, and let's say this one is 500, or 400 again, and then 600, and you hit a blow up right here. And then eventually you're just gonna go down, and you're gonna see 84, or yeah, how do I say it? Or you see like you're going through a downfall right now, and you have like 34 videos. This is a good sign, and the reason why this is a good sign is because, let me explain why. This is a good sign because one of your videos is pretty much shit. All right, one of these videos are pretty much dog crap. All right, if you get these two low views, it's probably because of your CTR or your AVD. So it could be either CTR or AVD. It could either be each one. All right, and if you have another channel and with none of them, and if none of them have zero, they just keep having zero views, that means you need to move on. That means you need to move on and make a new channel. All right, if you have like keep getting zero views and etc stuff, you need to move on and make a new channel, because this one, it doesn't really trust you no more. It's just done. It's done. It's just simply done. If you're gonna use that one, that's just simply done. And keep in mind, this is for long forms only. So yeah. Now here's another frequent question which you guys might ask. Frequent asked question is, how many videos will I see where I get results? Well, the real answer is 5. Upload 5. All right, that's the real answer. If you upload 5, like I said right here, for example, if you see one video that hits about like 100 views, for example, you must keep going because YouTube trusts it, and you keep on going and going. And once you get low views, it's probably because of the CTR. All right, it's probably because of your click-through rate, your thumbnails, and it's probably because of your ABD also. It's not really long enough. So yeah, upload like at least 5. Check what you can see. If it's at least 0, move on. And if you see this kind of results, you go up, you keep going, and you're gonna see big results than you ever expected. Just like mine, just like how I gained like, the 388K. So yeah. Alright, and with that being said, that's all I have for you guys. Do not use any kind of boring AI niches, just like what Barry does, Bexary, Advaya, I think his name is called. But the ones I recommend you to do, honestly, which I don't think he does that anymore, and which is gatekeeping, of course, maybe, I don't know. The ones I recommend you guys doing is the drawing animation niche. Check out this niche and see what you tell me about. Drawing animation niche might be the one, but the most one of the authentic one I recommend actually is the top 10 TV shows. Yes, the top 10 TV shows. That's the one I recommend for you guys. If you guys do not do the top 10 TV shows, or you could either do the drawing animation niche, it could be each one. There's so many TV shows around there. There's so many, so many shows. Like you can make shows about Lego Ninjagos and shit, or SpongeBob's, or you could do any kind of such stuff that you simply like or not. But yeah, TV shows and drawing animation niche, those are the top tier that you guarantee see some views. All right. And yeah, please keep in mind, I have a link in the description. As you see, I have my course there. I go live calls every single day. I answer you guys' questions every single day. We go on a live call. You book it, of course, and we're gonna work together all along. And I will see your channel reviews. If you're seeing your, if you have low views or you have like low etc stuff, then I will guarantee. Then I will guarantee to see your videos. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys.